Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hailie, and today you will have to bear with me because I do have a little bit of crazy hair going on. I let my hair air dry yesterday. I don't really like to blow dry my hair, so I normally let my hair air dry, but it got real crazy yesterday. It's quite voluminous and out of control, and to be honest, it is way too hot here in Texas for me to want to style my hair right now. So I'm just letting it happen. I say as I'm in like a huge sweater sweating. It's fine. So I actually am just here to make a very exciting announcement that I teased about a long time ago. I've been wanting to tell you guys about this since July, but I've been waiting for the right moment and just making sure that everything is smooth sailing because I have had a little blunder in the past and I didn't want that to happen again. So are you ready? I'm actually like hot. I'm sweaty. Come in. The chair is so small.
The chair is tiny.
Here, let's go.
Oh, okay.
Okay, did you want to tell him?
Tell him what?
Tell him.
Now what?
What we're doing.
We're having a baby?
No.
She's right here. That we're buying a house?
No.
Wait, what is it then?
We're building a house.
Oh, we're building a house. We're buying
God.
a house. Well, we're building a house. We're building a house. We're building a house.
Do you even know what we're doing?
We're building a house, dude.
We're building a house. I'm so excited. That was my leg. Yeah, I have been wanting to tell you guys about this for freaking ever. But we haven't been able to. Okay, so I wanted to make this video as like obviously an announcement, but also an update as to where we're at in the whole process and what we've done so far and all that good stuff. We both have crazy hair today. That didn't fix it. I wanted to make this a series on my channel and kind of like keep you guys updated with vlogs and stuff on the whole process and everything, but with COVID it hasn't really been the most vloggable experience. We've had a lot of Zoom calls, Zoom meetings, virtual design stuff. So at this point we have already picked out all the stuff for our house, our floors, our like kitchen stuff. Literally we picked out everything for our house. So I'm very excited to take you guys along the whole journey as we actually like see our house like come to life. There are obviously things that we're going to add on and change to the house like once it's built. We are going through a builder. We're going through KB Homes. It's not a custom home, so there are things that is already like laid out for you. You like pick a floor plan basically, and you can pick out like certain things for that floor plan. You get pretty decent control of like the colors and the cabinetry and the faucets and stuff like that. But with certain stuff there's things that we want to change. Like for like one big thing with our builder is for some reason they don't let you have tile or yeah,
you can let you have just any, you can only have carpet upstairs. Only
carpet upstairs, and we are very anti-carpet at this point in our lives. So as soon as we get into the house, get our keys, we're going to rip up the carpet and put in the matching vinyl to our downstairs and stuff like that. We didn't pick any of like the builder grade lighting fixtures and stuff like that.
Kind of ugly. Very ugly,
not our vibes, so we're gonna do all of that stuff. What else? Like bathroom mirrors, little things like that. So it's going to be a really fun series once we actually get into the house, but right now you guys will just get little vlog updates of the bones and like all of that good stuff.
Pile of wood right now.
Yeah, it is just a pile of wood. They lay down like our foundation this week, right?
No, they laid out the boards to lay out our foundation.
Wow, it's our house.
Yeah.
We're getting somewhere.
Yeah. The boards are there.
They're there. They're in the process. It's been a whole ordeal.
It's kind of stressful.
It has been very stressful at this point, especially because everything has been virtual. It's, you know, it's a really big step in our lives, I feel, and like deciding all these things over Zoom has not been like the most pleasant experience.
And it's like, they kind of rush you.
They definitely rush you a lot. You're free to go.
Okay.
Goodbye.
See ya.
I kicked you out because one, it's really hot and sweaty in here, and two, I wanted to catch you up on everything, all the details and stuff. If you guys have been following me for a few years now, you might remember that Hugo and I had actually already tried to build a house previously. I want to say it was either 2017 or 2018. We had picked out our lot, we put down our earnest money, we went through the whole process to get our loan and everything. And then we already went to the first round of the designs. So that ended up not happening after we had already announced it on social media, and still to this day I get questions about that house. I don't think I ever put up like a video announcement addressing it or anything. I've only ever talked about what happened on Instagram stories and I believe on Twitter. So I wanted to put that in here too in case you were one of those people wondering what happened. Basically, it ended up being a bunch of little things adding up to us just kind of feeling like we needed to walk away, like it wasn't working out, like something was telling us that this was obviously not the right choice, which I feel like ended up being a blessing in disguise, because here we are now, a few years later, everything is running smooth. I'm so happy with the house, the layout of it. I'm really excited to show you guys it, and just like the neighborhood and everything. It's so good, and I think that everything works out for a reason. So I think this was all part of the plan all along, but obviously when I had announced that we were doing this big thing and then it fell apart, I just was crushed, like heartbroken, because that was such a huge step for us to, you know, like make all these moves and like put down this money to build a house, and then it didn't end up coming together. But basically it ended up being a few things. I had just started doing social media full time, and they're very strict, obviously, when you're getting a big loan like that you need 2 years of good tax returns, and since I was self-employed, I didn't have that yet. So I didn't have 2 good tax returns. Hugo was pretty new at his job, but his tax returns were fine. But we would need to have a co-signer if we wanted to get approved for this big loan. And obviously my grandparents wanted to do it, my parents said they would do it, but I didn't feel comfortable doing that. You know, it's a really big step and I wanted it to be mine. You know what I mean? So that was a huge reason we didn't go forward, obviously. But then there was a number of little things, like, again, we are not doing a custom home. It's a like already like planned out floor plan. You can make little changes here and there, like add rooms, expand certain things, change out, you know, little things, but you are pretty stuck with the floor plan. And there was just little things in the floor plan that I was just like, I don't know, I'm not really super happy with that. And so ultimately we ended up walking away. But the issue was that I had already announced it on social media like a big dummy and told everyone and was already really excited about it. So big lesson learned that time around. Never announce anything on social media until it is 100% set in stone, and even then, maybe not. So not really the most exciting story there, but in case you were wondering, that's what happened previously. This time around, we are all good to go. I've been doing social media full time for like 5 years now, so tax returns are in the clear. No issues there. And I'm really happy with everything so far. I'm really excited for you guys to see. So at this point, we have already picked out all of our stuff, and like Hugo mentioned, the wood is there to put down our foundation. Everything is finally in motion, and like I said, I'm really excited to kind of like vlog the whole process. Obviously, they are not going to be the most exciting vlogs coming up. I'm probably going to do them like once a month as like a house update, because not much is really going to be going on. It's just going to be kind of like the bones and the structure of the house going up, and I can kind of like talk to you guys a little bit about the process in between and all of that good stuff. But I am just really excited to finally get into the house and do all the really fun stuff. I wanted to also kind of open up the comment section in this video for a Q&A video. If you guys have any questions at all about the house, I will definitely answer all of those in a video soon. So let me know any questions you may have, what you guys want to know about the process, if you want to know more about what we've picked out and stuff, because obviously I wasn't able to vlog it since we did most of it over Zoom, which is so unfortunate. But I am also on Pinterest getting really excited and pinning some like inspo over there, so I will link that down in the description box as well. But again, let me know what you guys want to see from this series, what you want to hear, any questions you might have, all that fun stuff. I am really excited, and I can't wait to just kind of bring you guys along with me. This is like huge for Hugo and I, and we are just like ecstatic. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you soon. Bye.